Dear students, we are discussing the chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation, and in our last class we have just started Punnett square. So today we'll study what is Punnett square in detail. So a Punnett square is a graphical representation to calculate the probability of all possible genotypes of offspring in a genetic cross. So, to show the genotypes of the offspring, here a table is used which is known as Punnett square. So, a cross between homozygous or pure tall plant and homozygous dwarf plant is shown with the help of a Punnett square. So, here I am showing the cross between a pure tall or homozygous tall plant and homozygous dwarf plant, which we had discussed in our last class also. So the result of this cross is 4 heterozygous tall plants, isn't it? Can you remember? So roughly I am showing the results. These are the gametes, small t, and the offsprings are capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. So this type of crosses are known to us. So now I'll show this in with the help of a Punnett square. So first we have to write the genotype of the parents, which is P1 generation. Okay, so this is P1 generation. Then we have to write the gametes. So the possible gametes are written on two sides, usually the top row and left column, and all the possible combinations are shown in the boxes below the square, generating a square shape. So here I am showing how So in case of monohybrid cross, we have to take a box having 4 squares, right? So for tall plant, that means this is tall and this is dwarf. Capital T, and this side small t, small t. So the possible gametes are written on two sides. So these two sides, usually the top row and left columns. So these two are the gametes. Now we have to do the cross. So first if we consider this capital T, then we have to multiply this capital T with these two small t. So the result will be capital T, small t, capital T and small t. Again we have to cross this t with this two. So capital T, small t, capital T, small t. So the results of both the crosses, normal cross and Punnett square, are same. Is it clear? So this is how we have to place the results of a particular monohybrid cross in Punnett square. Again, I am showing another one. So if we self fertilize the F1 parents, so this is F1 generation, F1 generation, and these are the gametes. Now to get the F1 generation, to get the F2 generation, we have to self fertilize the F1 parents. So 4 offsprings are produced in F1 generation, and if we self fertilize the F1 plants, then we will get the F2 generation. So F2 generation to pabor karone ami ki koribo lagbo, F1 generation or duta plant loi pelai hiotor majot self fertilization ba self pollination hobo dibo lagbo. Okay, so yate moi dekhwaisu keneke. So F1 generation not ki hoise gutte keta plant eke identical. So all the plants in F1 generation are identical, capital T small t and capital T small t. So these are tall but heterozygous, not homozygous. So I'll show both the types of crosses. So general cross, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. So this is the gametes of F1 generation. Now normal process of crossing. This. So capital T, capital T, capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. Again small t, capital T. Though it is small t, capital T, though small t is written in first, but we have to write capital T first, then small t, because dominant characters or dominant gene is always written first. He karone ami ki hoy jehetu dominant gene to agote likhibo lage, jodiu small t to agot ase ami capital T to agot likhim, tar pisot small t to likhim, then at last small t, small t. So this cross now I am showing with the help of a Punnett square. So now we have to make a box having 4 squares like this. Then we have to write the gametes, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, like this. So these are the gametes. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply small t with these two, capital T, small t. Small t to jodio agot ase, capital T to dominant karone ami capital T agot likhim, small t pisot likhim, small t, small t, capital T, capital T, capital T, small t. So 1 homozygous tall, 2 heterozygous tall, 1 homozygous dwarf offsprings are produced as a result of self breeding of F1 plants. So this is the F2 generation. Okay, is it clear? Now you try to solve BB. So this, the parental generation I have given P1 generation. So try to find out the F1 generation and F2 generation with the help of normal process and punnett square both. Punnett square আৰু normal process দুইটা ব্যৱহাৰ কৰি পেলাই এইটো P1 generation পৰা F1 আৰু F2 generation to উলিয়াব try কৰিবা. This is your homework. Okay? Now we will discuss 3 main points of law of dominance. Number 1 point, characters are controlled by discrete unit called factors. So the characters, suppose the same height character, it is controlled by a particular unit, or it is controlled by a discrete unit which is called factor. So it contains 2 genes, tallness and dwarfness. So these are the traits or factors which control the character stem height. Then factors occur in pairs. Factors are always in pairs. Factor bila khoday pair hisabe thake. I already koisu, it may be like capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, or small t, small t. And third is, in a dissimilar pair of factors, one member of the pair dominates the other. So in a dissimilar pair of factors, so out of these 3, the dissimilar pair of factor is capital T and small t. So here one member of the pair dominates the other. So out of these 2, capital T and small t, one character is only expressed and the next character is in the hidden form. So the character which is expressed, it is known as the dominant character and it is written in capital letter, and the unexpressed character is known as recessive character. So here one factor or factors of one member of the pair dominates. So it is the dominant character, the dominates the other which is the recessive character. Okay? So students, go through it, and if there is any confusion then let me know. Thank you.